Have you ever listened to a finger-picking guitar song and thought to yourself, oh my goodness, that sounds freaking awesome? Well, what if I told you that you could learn how to do that too? Fingerpicking is one of the most beautiful and expressive ways to play the guitar. It's versatile, it's fun, and it can take even the simplest chord progression and make it sound exciting. Hello, I'm Amber, also known as the Stellar Guitarist, and I have put together a brand new course called Let's Pick It Up. It is designed to take you step by step from fingerpicking basics all the way to confidently being able to play a library of beautiful fingerpicking songs. So here is how it's structured. In Module 1, we'll lay the foundations. And then in Module 2, we'll dive into traverse picking and learning how to achieve that steady bass and melody combination that we hear in so many songs. In Module 3, we'll move into folk style fingerpicking, learning how to add melody and embellishments to your chords. And in Module 4, we will explore pieces from folk, classical, Spanish, and so much more. You will learn songs that you actually want to play again and again. Now, by the end of the course, you're not going to know a bunch of boring exercises and patterns. You are going to have a fingerpicking toolkit and a song library that you can pull out at any time to wow yourself and others. And most importantly, you are going to start to sound like a real musician. I believe that fingerpicking is possibly the most rewarding style to learn on the guitar. And trust me when I tell you that it's going to open up a whole new world of songs for you to play. Right, so I need to ask you, are you ready to pick it up? Join me inside the course today and let's start your fingerpicking journey together.